Hi all, it's AC Dodd, and this time we're going to look at what happens when you want to rebuild a primary gear and the bushes are no longer available. This is an early primary gear for an early Mark 1 850 Mini. Okay, so this is for the small tail crank with the nominal 1.375 inch tail. As you can see, it's in very poor condition. The outside of the gear is fine, but the inner bushes have suffered some spinning, and obviously the outer bush is, as you can see there, the flange on the outside edge is broke up. So how do we repair that when the bushes are no longer available? Well, I'm going to repair that with original DEVA metal. So, DEVA metal. With the help from Mini Spares have shown me the drawing, I was able to identify the exact grade of DEVA metal, and then with the aid of the internet and some searching, I was able to find a company. As you can see there, it's this has actually been made and supplied from Federal Mogul. And inside the box we have some DEVA metal. So I intend to machine that and turn it into a bush. Right, first things first, we're going to take our lump of DEVA metal and we're going to face it and then bore a hole out in the middle so we can hold it, and then we're going to part it into two parts. Machines very easily, it's nice and soft and crumbly. Nice big drill to go up the centre, clear the middle out, make sure we don't have a problem holding it in the chuck. You can see that machine's beautifully, and for those of you who have machined DEVA metal bronze bushings before, you'll see that those ships are very familiar. Pouring it out. This doesn't have to be accurate, this, because this is just to fit the next tool. Make sure it fits the next tool. Which it does perfectly. Excellent. Chamfers. Okay, so now we've got that, and now I need to part it in half. Okay, so we're all set up for parting off, so let's part off that bar. You can see that cuts beautifully. And that's that cut off nicely. That now leaves me with two pieces that I can make two bearings with. We skip forward a bit now, but you can see that the top hat bush is taking shape. We're just cutting it down to size. Take a couple of sizing cuts so I can get the size exactly right. A quick check. We're bang on the size, which is good. I'll be pretty exacting with the fit on this one, otherwise it's going to break when we put the bush in. Last pass, and hopefully that's exactly the fit we need. Just space off the back of that flange. Excellent. I think that's going to be perfect. Excellent. Right, next job. Machine on flange down to the right diameter. Which in this case is going to be 1.875 inches. Right, that effectively gives us our bush. Just break the edges. And there we go. Need to put a small lead on that front edge. There we go. That'll help it start. And there we go. One DEVA top hat bush ready to insert. And there we are. We've got two bushes. So I didn't show the other one being made because it's the same process as making the bush I did in the previous primary gear video. So I just showed you some of me making the top hat bush. So we got the genuine DEVA top hat bush and one of my special bronze one piece front bushes, and let's put them in. The new custom front bush is simply pressed in, and here we are pushing that top hat in all the way down. Excellent. Just give it a couple of pushes to make sure it's in the right place and it's all flat, which it is. And there we go. Two new bushes ready for machining out. Okay, so we've now got the primary gear in the lathe, ready to bore out the bushes internally to the size of the engine that this is going to fit to. Okay, that should have been the final pass. Let's see what we got. We make that spot on. Excellent. Okay, with the inside up to size, ready for finishing, now we can start facing the front and chamfering the inside. Nice generous chamfer on there. Speed up for the front face. Took quite a bit off there to get it down, so I'm just going to re-establish the chamfer one more time. And the chamfer on the outside edge, which I run the machine in reverse. Excellent. I'm going to hand finish that now and we'll be done. So there we have it. All nicely machined out. DEVA metal bush in the rear end, and in the front end my usual one-piece billet or cast bronze insert, and that gives us an option for any primary gear bush size that we need. So if you have any particular needs for primary gears and you feel you need a DEVA bush or a custom DEVA bush, then you know, get hold of me, send me a message on Messenger. The other good thing about this is if you've got a lot of end play and you're out of thrust washers, then the front flange here can be made pretty much any thickness you want. So for example, this one's about 12 thou thicker than standard. I don't really know what the wear is on the engine, but I'm assuming it's worn, so I'm leaving it a little bit big, and it can always be tweaked if it's a bit tight for this particular application, but that goes for anybody. So if anybody wants one of these, then that can be taken into account as well. Anyway, there you go, a properly rebushed early Mark 1 primary gear for the small tail 1.375 inch nominal crankshafts. Well, I hope you found that useful, and there you are as an option there if you've got a small tail crankshaft and you need some bushes, or indeed if you've got a special application and you really want to use DEVA metal, then I have it here in stock and I can machine it to any size you like. Anyway, as ever, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, because that will help me make more videos that you want to see. So thank you very much.